Hi everyone, it's Jeff here from Avada. In this video, I will take a look at how to update Avada via WordPress. Keeping Avada up to date is important for security and gives you access to new features. So let's have a look at the easiest way to update Avada. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the bell icon to be notified of all new content. Okay, let's begin. Before you update Avada, we recommend that you take a full site and database backup. This will ensure you're able to revert to a working point in your site in the unlikely event that anything unexpected happens. This is simply best practice when updating WordPress, themes, or plugins. There are many ways to do this, but it's beyond the scope of this video. Please follow the link in the description to read more about taking backups. To avoid any potential issues, we also recommend that you give your installation a health check and ensure that your server is configured to the minimum requirements for Avada. Go to System Status from the Maintenance menu on the Avada Dashboard to check your server configuration. You can find details on what you need to check in the Requirements for Avada documentation, also linked in the description below the video. It's also very important that you ensure your server limits are at least at the required minimums for the update to complete. A lot of update issues are actually caused by poorly configured or under-resourced servers. See the System Status Limits doc for information on how to check and increase those server limits. Finally, if you're updating an older version of Avada, it's crucial you read the Updating Avada from Older Versions documentation before you update, as you may need to update incrementally. Decent hosting and backups are basic and logical first steps for ensuring a trouble-free update process, but once they are in place, updating Avada is a walk in the park. The very first step to enable updating from the WordPress dashboard is to ensure you have registered your purchase. You'll find the registration section on the Avada dashboard. Please see the How to Register Avada documentation linked below for more details on that. Once you are registered, when a new version of Avada is released, you will see a notice in Dashboard Updates. Under the Themes section, you'll see the Avada Update notification. If you don't see the update and you know one is available, click the Check Again button at the top of the page to refresh the updates list. Also, make sure you have a backup theme installed as well, such as 2025, as this can stop the notification from showing. When you see the update, tick the checkbox besides the Avada update, then click the Update Themes button to start the automatic update. WordPress will then download the latest version of Avada from the server and run the update. At the end of this short process, you have updated Avada. The only thing that remains is to update the required plugins, which are always updated as part of an Avada update. You can either return to Dashboard Updates, where you will see the two plugin updates, and here you can select both plugins and update, or alternatively, you can head to Avada Plugins. Here you will see a large notice at the top of the screen that Avada Core and Avada Builder require updating, and you can simply mouse over them and click on Update to update them one at a time. Either way, once you have updated both required plugins, Avada is fully updated. You can go to the Avada dashboard to confirm you have updated to the latest version. And of course, visit the front end of your website to see that the update has completed successfully. Updates are quick, easy, and painless. The theme and the plugins can be updated in under a minute and you are on your way. A full backup and good hosting are best practice before you begin, but these really should be in place anyway. In another video, we look at how to manually update the theme via FTP. The link for that will be in the description below the video. Okay, that's it for this video. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel to keep up with all the latest videos. And if you have any questions or need assistance, please create a support ticket and our team will gladly assist you. As always, we want to thank you for choosing Avada.